Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally, this long-awaited video that I've been teasing you guys about. Finally, my new makeup subscription has finally come in. BOXYCHARM. I'm so excited. Okay, so if you have been watching my Ipsy and Sephora unboxings, those are the two boxes I had before, and so they were $10 each, and I decided for both of them, instead of getting mini sizes, I might as well get one box for $20 and get full-size products. And so BOXYCHARM is $21 a month, and you get I think it's 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 full-size items. Some things are like deluxe sizes, like I think there's a deluxe size one in this one, and I have been following them on Instagram, and they've been doing like sneak peeks of items and spoilers and stuff, and so I know a few things that are in this box and like kind of like the category of things that are in this box. So I'm just gonna open it because I'm super excited. I haven't opened it. I saved it for you guys. It just came in today, so it's sealed. So here we go. First time. Super excited. See if I can open it. Oh, that's super cute. Right when you open the little flap, you see Hello Charmer, and it has BOXYCHARM, and you can follow them on those social medias. Okay, and I've seen their theme for this month, and it's super cute. Boxy and chill. I don't know, I just love all the colors, and it's just so cute. This has on the back, it has all the items that are in here and the price, and also you pay $21 for a box of items that is well over like $100. So I don't know about you, but I think that's a good deal. Okay. Okay, exciting. Here's an overview of the things. Okay, so the first thing this one I already knew. So the Tarte High Performance Naturals Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. It's the packaging. I'm living for the packaging. Blue and purple, so pretty. This is so pretty. Super pretty. It's like fish scales or like mermaid. Totally mermaid vibes. Wink wink. A little heads up for what is to come soon. These are super pretty. That's what it looks like. Okay, so there's one matte, and they're all shimmers, and they're super pretty. This is like an all natural type palette, and into my collection it goes. My collection will definitely grow with these full-size items. Next thing, Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This is the deluxe sample. This is not the full size. Oh, and also the palette is originally $36, so already better than the price that you already paid for the box. The conditioning spray is $12. So I think I'm not sure if it's the exact one, but I've had one of these conditioning sprays, and I really liked it. So I'm super excited to try that. To use that again. And then this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Don't know what that is. I mean, it's a primer. I guess this is, I don't know, is this extra? Because I don't see it on here, on the card. I don't know. Okay, next is this Starlux Black Ultra Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. And this one is $19. I can use eyeliners. And this is what I was really hoping for this color. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Havana Lights. Super excited for this color. I can't wait. Can't wait to try that out. And then the last thing, which is the most bougiest thing in here, is these Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Masks. and they gave 2 of them, and that is bougie, and they're $24. Oh no, you will never catch me paying no $24 for no mask. No thank you, but I'll definitely feel bougie putting these on, trying these. So that is all that I got. So 6 items. So yeah, 5 to 6. I'm guessing 5 to 6, or maybe it's 4 to 6. I don't know. I don't really know. But 6 items. Technically kind of 7 because there's 2 masks. But yeah, that's all that I got, and that's super exciting, and I can't wait for these next months to see what comes in. And this is full-size products. Like, yes, I'm living for that. Okay guys, so that is it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. I will be doing, if it's not a makeup haul, it's gonna be my collab with Norma again, so definitely stay tuned for that. It's definitely exciting. Can't wait. So yeah, have a great one. Bye guys.